About my personal life. I mean, Anthony was there with me, and when I wasn't on stage, I was at every mall in Skokie, Illinois that I could find. And,
That's how you remember shopping? Do you remember shopping? Yes.
Well, there was something about there being no tax in Delaware, and you and Alana were always running off to buy. Yeah.
Exactly. This is my girl right here. You understand me.
I get it.
What are you working on these days?
Well, I am just getting ready to do a pilot for ABC, not for Delta.
Really?
My jokes are getting worse.
Yes.
I'm also working on my next album, which I'm going to be titling it something like, I'll tell it here, it's For the Girls. It's going to be a tribute to a salute to all the women who have inspired me in music.
What about that Tammy Faye Baker musical?
Oh wait, what? Come back to me.
The Tammy Faye Baker musical.
Tammy Faye Baker musical.
Oh, thank you for
that I'm
asking.
obsessed with.
So, we have, it's a real thing, and it's something that I don't feel that I still have time to do, in other words. I won't age out of it for a while, but we're waiting on a script, and the music is so good with Henry Krieger, and now we have David Yazbek on board, and
Oh my God, that's a sure winner. Hurry up, we're ready.
That's the perfect role for you. That's a perfect role for you. That's perfect.
I'm ready too. I want the lashes. I just want the lashes.
Yes.
I don't care.
Yes. Yeah. You'll like graft the lashes on, right? Then you just have them on all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I would like to develop a lash line called the Christy Bay. And I want glitter. I've already started kind of working on it. Is this weird? It might be a little weird, but I love lashes.
We all have our passions.
I know. Broadway and lashes. I swear, if I was in a snowstorm, if I was in that movie Alive, and say with Anthony, where they die and they eat each other, I swear, if Anthony said you could eat me, I would say, but can I have your lashes?
Thank you.
That brings a lot of clarity.
Kristen, that's actually the last thing we're going to hear during the party line, so I think that's perfect. We love you. A lovely moment. Kristen, thank you so much.
We want to see you again next year.
Thank you.
Ray is sunny.
So good. Well, thank you all for joining us. No snow, but
same fun.
yes. So everyone, stick around for the main stage. We're going to kick off in 10 minutes with our first annual lip sync battle. That's awesome. And then followed by Broadway game night. So stick around for the main stage. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.